everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjustice.com, and I'm show you over here. We're going to Brickopolis. You can see the brick, and down below you see Brickopolis. And yeah, we're over here in Oklahoma City.
Is there a good sidewalk all the way through on the other side?
Try and get across this sidewalk, whatever they call it, crosswalk. And yeah, going to Brickopolis and enjoy breaking bread with fellow team and fellow Legal Shield associates, and it's going to be fun. And yeah, probably do some great networking and comment, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon.
Well, no, you can't
Lois
really see
Threlkeld,
much of anybody.
Amy Yoshimitsu, ladiesofjustice.com. Let's get across this street. It was supposed to rain today, so luckily it's not raining. Just a little chilly, because we're on foot in Oklahoma City for the Legal Shield Convention. All right, comment, like, share, subscribe. This is Kingman. Gotta find out what Kingman is. Yucatan Taco Stand, Leadership Academy, Candy Cone, Opus Inspire Financial Group, Bourbon Street Cafe. Oh, how fun. Anyways, going to Brickopolis. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjustice.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Look forward to connecting with you soon. Go ahead and comment. We love your comments. All right. Take care. Bye now.